So I already did one eye and I'm about to do the other one. Okay, so first I'm gonna start with this brush right here. It's from like the Urban Decay eyeshadow palettes. And I'm gonna go in the Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm gonna take the shade Pukey and I'm gonna apply that to my crease. I really hope you can see this. I already primed my eyes with concealer. Too bad I'm doing it on this side because I feel like this side's my sucky eye. I don't know if you guys have like an eye that does not come out how you want it to, no matter how hard you try. This eye right here is the eye that I like to work on, and like when I take my pictures and stuff, I like that eye to be the main focus. I've actually, well, besides the Vault, I've been wanting to get another eyeshadow palette. So if you guys like have any recommendations, I would love to know what palette I should try out next. I'm just building that up right there. And don't worry about getting messy because we're gonna clean it up later. So I haven't been posting at all actually, but I actually haven't made the announcement on my channel yet.
I got a second job at Sephora.
I got a second job at Sephora. I'm so excited. There's like so many trainings and all this stuff that everyone did together, which was really cool because, you know, you get to know everyone. That could be another video. I really don't have time. Like, I mean, the time that I have, I'm like so dead. I'm tired. Your girl wants to sleep because I do work at Starbucks in the morning from 6 a.m. and then to like whatever time. And then I go to Sephora after, which has been actually like 8-hour, at least 5 to 8-hour trainings. I'm actually gonna take this Kylie brush. Yeah, I'm gonna take this Kylie brush and then I'm gonna go into Cypress Umber from the Modern Renaissance palette. And then I'm just gonna do that. And I'm gonna start off with very little and I'm gonna build it up and create a blend in my crease. See this thing? Okay, so what this is, this Osmo thing, like a phone stabilizer. So I put it on there and then whatever, turn it on. And as I'm recording, this thing is like following my move. So if I have it focused, so for instance, right now I have it focused on this eye right here. So every time I move, it moves with it. We good, fam.
I fixed it.
And I'm going back in with that Kylie brush and I dipped a little more into Pukey and I'm just blending out. Now we're gonna grab this brush here. It's like a little, I'm gonna grab this brush right here and it's just like a brush I got from Michael's. I'm gonna grab my concealer and you're gonna dip your brush in there. Just start carving that lid out. We're gonna create like a wing. Come on, what the heck?
I'm right here.
So I'm gonna take this Morphe M431 brush and I'm gonna dip into Buns in the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm gonna grab this Morphe M167 brush and I'm gonna dip into the shade Cranapple. And I'm gonna put that next to that shade. Ooh. First, I'm gonna spray my brush with some Fix Plus. I'm gonna pick up the shade. Well, first I'm gonna pick it up with my pinky, and I'm gonna pick up the shade SBN. Just apply it on the rest of that empty lid, bringing it to a blend into Cranapple. So then I cleaned off my brush already, and I'm gonna dip into that same shade again, and then I'm just gonna pack it on top. And I'm just gonna put a little bit more on with my finger of Cranapple, just to make it more pigmented. Anyway, so I'm gonna grab the NYX glitter primer, and I'm gonna grab this brush from Pinky Rose, the silicone brush, and then I'm just gonna create a little, like the tip of the wing liner right here. And then I'm gonna grab my glitter from Sasha's Vanity in Dusk Till Dawn, and I'm just gonna apply that over. Basically what I'm gonna do is grab the NYX white liner, and to create this line right here, okay, I'm gonna start off by doing dots along my crease. So now I'm just gonna pause the video and I'll be right back, and I'm gonna do this line. So what you're gonna do is just connect the dots after that, and I'm gonna charge my phone really quick and I'll be right back. And when I come back, I'm gonna have my base done, and we'll talk about lashes and all that shebang shaboom right after. So BRB. So I'm back, but yeah, now let's move on. But now we're gonna grab some mascara. I'm gonna be using the Lancome Monsieur Big, Mr. Big, and we're just gonna apply that. I'm gonna go in with the shade Buns. Now, what we're gonna do now is put some mascara on our bottom lashes. And I did already add some highlight in my inner corner, but off camera. But we can go ahead and put some with this teeny weeny schmeeny little brush. Dip into my highlight, and I'm using Hustler Baby Fenty. And now it's time for lashes, so I'll be right back. Okay, so while my eyelash glue sets, I'm gonna grab this Marc Jacobs liner, and I'm just gonna go ahead and get my waterline. And I'm trying to be careful because this white liner does crack. So this is pretty much the final look once you have your lashes on and everything. Alright, so for the lips, if you guys want to know, I use Lolita and the Studded Kiss lipstick from Kat Von D, and then Marc Jacobs Sugar gloss right over that. So this is the final look, and thank you guys for sticking with me and watching this video. If you did watch to the end, this is the final look right here. And if you guys like it, you guys know to subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Comment down below for any suggestions or anything you want to see. As always, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. What else? What else? What else? What else? What else? I think that's it. Yeah, so as always, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you again for watching.